Hi friends, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. This is 8th class on set theory. You please see question number 21. In a class of 35 students, in a class how many students are there? 35 students are there. Here they given that 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. Each student likes to play at least one of the two games. This is important information, that's why I changed the color of this statement. See, each student likes to play at least one of two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? I hope you understand the question. So what I'll do, I'll start writing all the information. 24 like to play cricket. As this is JEE main, no need to write all the steps. I directly write N of C. Number of students who likes to play cricket is N of C. N of C is given as 24. How many people like to play football? N of F. N of F is 16. And you see here, this is the important statement. Once you understand this statement, this question is nothing to you. What is that question? Each student like to play at least. Whenever you see at least, I'll tell you what to do. Each student likes to play at least one of two games. That means in a class 35 students are there. In those 35 students, each students like to play at least one of two games. There is no student, the student who won't play any game. Each student like to play at least one of two games. Whenever you see at least, it is union. Or else we can understand here easily. Each student likes to play at least. At least means the person play cricket or football or both. Okay. So what you need to understand here, N of C union F. N of C union F is 35. This is the point you need to understand. In the question, they not mention directly that N of C union F is 35. After reading the question, you need to understand N of C union F is 35. Once you understand this, rest of all are very easy. Okay, right. Now, you see this, what they are asking. How many students like to play both cricket and football? How many students like to play both? That means C intersection F. We need to calculate. See, we learned this formula in synopsis. N of C union F. What is N of C union F? That is N of C plus N of F minus N of C intersection F. This is the formula we learned. Now I'll substitute all the information. N of C union F is what? That is 35. N of C is what? 24 plus N of F is what? 16 minus N of C intersection F. That is what we need to calculate. What I'll do, I'll take N of C intersection F to this left hand side. N of C intersection F. 24 plus 16 is 40. Now you take this 35 to this right hand side, it will become minus 35. 40 minus 35 is 5. So N of C intersection F is 5. So the number of students like to play both cricket and football is 5. So which option is the right option? Third option is the right option. Remember, only understanding the question takes time. So you don't show any hurry to do the solution first. Take your time to understand the question. Question number 22. In a group of 70 people, it is important. In a group, how many people are there? 70 people are there. 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person like at least one of two drinks. What they are asking? The number of person liking both coffee and tea. So first what I will write, number of people like coffee I'll write. What is N of C? The number of people who like coffee. What they given? They given it as 37. Okay. The number of people who like tea also given. N of T. N of T is they given as 52. Okay. And here this is important information. Once you understand this information, this question is nothing to you. Each person means what? In this group 70 people are there, na? In that 70 people, each person like at least one of two drinks. In this group, each person like at least one of two drinks. That means there is no person who don't drink neither coffee nor tea. So here you observe once again, at least is there. At least one of two drinks. Whenever you see this, you need to understand C union T is given. What is C union T? In this group, each person, that means how many people are there in this group? 70 people are there. So this is the important information you need to understand. Once you understand this, rest of all are very easy. Okay, then what they are asking, the number of person liking both coffee and tea. So N of C intersection T we need to calculate. Okay, and this is very familiar formula. We know N of C union T formula. What is the formula? The formula is N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T. Okay, N of C union T is given as 70. N of C is given as 37. N of T is given as 52 minus, we need to calculate N of C intersection T. You take N of C intersection T to the left hand side. N of C intersection T equal to 37 plus 52, 89 minus, you take this 70 to this side, this plus 70 will become minus 70. 89 minus 70 is 19. So N of C intersection T is 19. So what is the right option? Third option is the right option. Now see question number 23. Once again I am repeating, you spend some time to understand the question properly. Once you understand the question, rest of all the part is very easy. You see here, in a committee 50 people speak French. So I directly write, the number of people who like to speak French is 50. N of F is 50. And 20 speak Spanish. N of S, the number of people who like to speak Spanish is N of S. This information is also given. N of S is 20. They speak both Spanish and French. So F intersection S is 10. Okay. So what they are asking here, the number of persons speaking at least one of these two games. Try to understand once again. Here again, at least you can say at least one of these two languages. From the last three questions you need to understand. I collected all problems of same type so that whenever you see next time you can do it very easily. Here what to calculate? The number of persons speaking at least one of these two languages means you need to understand, we need to calculate F union S. We know this formula, N of F union S. What is the formula for this? N of F plus N of S minus N of F intersection S. Okay, we need to calculate N of F union S. N of F is what? N of F is 50 plus N of S is what? N of S is 20 minus N of F intersection S is 10. Okay, 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 minus 10 is 60. So the number of persons speaking at least one of these two languages is 60. So which option is the right option? First option is the right option. Okay, you see question number 24. This question is different and little difficult compared to earlier problems. First we will try to understand what is the given information and what is to be calculated. In a class of 100 students, if 100 students are present, 55 students have passed in mathematics, 67 students have passed in physics. What they are asking? The number of students who have passed in physics only. Okay, right. So here first I'll write the given information. The number of students who passed in mathematics, 55 students passed in mathematics. This information they given. N of P. What is N of P? The number of students who passed in physics. They given it as 67. Okay. This particular point you need to understand. This information is not given. If you understand this point, it is very easy. What is that point? In a class of 100 students, they are saying that in a class of 100 students, 55 students have passed mathematics, 67 students have passed in physics. What it tells? It tells that in that class, all the students attempted mathematics and physics only. Na? Try to understand this please. In a class of 100 students, 55 students have passed mathematics, 67 students have passed physics. That means what? All the students in that class already attended the exam of mathematics and physics. That means N of M union P. This you need to understand. N of M union P is 100. This information not given directly in the question, that you need to understand after reading the question. Please think of it. What they are asking at the end, number of students who have passed physics only. See here, already they given number of students who passed physics. Who passed physics is different, who passed physics only different. So what they are asking, number of students who passed physics only. We need to calculate. See here, n of m is there, n of p is there, n of m union p is there. So what I'll do, first I'll calculate n of m intersection p. First I'll calculate this. Next I'll calculate n of p only. Okay. So we know this formula, n of m union p. What is the formula for n of m union p? N of m plus n of p minus n of m intersection p. N of m union p already given in the question, that is 100. N of m given in the question 55. N of p is 67. I want to calculate n of m intersection p first. You take n of m intersection p to the left hand side. So n of m intersection p is equal to 55 plus 67, 122 minus, you take this 100 to the right hand side. So this plus 100 will become minus 100. So 122 minus 100 is 22. What is this 22? Number of students who passed in both physics and mathematics. Okay, what they are asking here? They are asking to calculate the number of students who passed physics only. To understand this, Venn diagram plays very important role here. You observe here, I had drawn a Venn diagram. In this part, what is this zone? You observe, what is this zone? This zone is M intersection P. We got that M intersection P is 22, right? This zone is 22. And what about physics? The number of students who passed physics, this whole part physics is given as 67. N of P is given as 67. Please try to understand. So this full circle is 67. In this full circle, this intersection part is 22. So physics only means which part? You observe this red color part. What is this red color part? That red color part is the number of students who passed physics only. What is this green color part? The number of students who passed in mathematics and physics both. So we want this red color. How we will get? We know that this full circle is 67. They given that information. This full circle is 67. From this 67, if I remove this 22, I will get this part only now. So the number of students who passed physics only. How you will get? You will get this full, that is 67 minus this intersection part. 67 minus 22. What you will get? 67 minus 22 is 45. So the number of students who passed physics only is 45. So which option is the right option? Fourth option is the right option. Okay, last question. In a survey of 400 students, in a school, hundreds were listed as taking apple juice. Very nice. 150 taking orange juice. Good. 75 people taking both the juices. That means they are taking both apple juice as well as orange juice. Then how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice? First, I'll write the given information. Number of students who takes apple juice, 100. What is N of A? Number of students who are taking apple juice. And number of students who are taking orange juice, I'll take it as N of O, orange juice. 150 students are taking orange juice. Good. 75 students are taking both N of A intersection O. They given as 75. Now what they are asking, how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice? That means in this 400 students, how many students are not taking apple juice, not taking orange juice? I think they don't like the juices. Okay, so how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice? We can do this problem very easily with the help of Venn diagram. You observe here, total how many students are there in this survey? 400 students are there. This rectangle box contains 400 students. Please try to understand this. Okay. Now, what they are saying, the number of students who are taking apple juice is 100, who are taking orange juice is 150, who are taking both. In this Venn diagram, where is the area both? See, this zone is both. So what they are given this is 75. As they given number of students who take apple juice is 100, this full circle is 100. This full circle is 100. In this part is 75 means this part will be 25 only. Please try to understand. So now it comes to orange juice. The number of students who are taking orange juice given as 150. As both 75 is there, this full circle is 150. In this part is 75. So this part is what? This part is 75. I hope you are understanding. How many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice? That means you observe the shaded part in this box. Other than these two circles, whatever this shaded part is there, those students neither taking apple juice nor orange juice. You please try to understand. That means this full box, including the circles, this full box is 400. But other than these circles, whatever the remaining part is there, that is the part that neither taking apple nor orange juice. So how you will get this part? As we know, this full part is 400. From this 400, I'll remove this. What is this? 25 plus 75 plus 75. Okay. So 400 minus 75 plus 75, 150. 150 plus 25 is 175. 400 minus 175 is 225. You need to understand what is this 225, the number of students who are taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. So which option is the right option? Third option is the right option. Once again, I'll repeat, in these problems, understanding the question is important. Do not show any hurry to do the solution quickly. Try to understand the question properly and then attempt its solution.